Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And as we can see after our analysis today in the live stream, we mentioned be careful from this area. If we of course stay under the 1.38 and under the confirmation for higher, we're looking for lower for our testing area where we have landed exactly with this drop today. And we have potentially right now a wave 2 unfolding as an A, B, and a C expanding flat. Potentially, of course, as this wave C, of course, as an impulse, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 can be finished or can be still unfolding wave 4 sideways, and one more drop, wave 5 can be given. However, preferably, of course, to move for higher directly because the 886 is not nice to be taken. If taken, well, all right. It can be the possibility that you are in a bigger expanding flat here. So we gotta be careful. 1, A, B, C, wave 2. Again, the next testing area is time, of course, to put it there. So we have to test, of course, this area here as well in case we drop down. So we gotta be careful with it. A signal that we are moving for higher, of course, is the 15-minute chart. You want to see, of course, something as 5 ways up. Now, currently, 5-minute, you don't see any kind of it. Yeah, we see simply 3 waves and correction, and it looks so far in a triangle, and we might continue the drop down. So we gotta be careful with it. Yes, it can be, of course, a bigger expanding flat after, expanding flat after a large expanding diagonal. And A, B, and a C, of course, might be unfolding as expanding flat wave C and testing area to be hit, minimum target 0.38. So I would say perfect because we analyzed this today perfectly. Of course, we said if we stay under the confirmation for higher, we might drop. Testing area, here we are. For the US 500 as well, it's the same. It's the same. We have our key level already mentioned. We need to break above it for confirmation for higher. This did not happen. Obviously, we have dropped down directly from there. And our testing area, of course, for the 0.38 here is very essential. And here we go. We are there. Let me remove this. No need for it anymore. Confirmation for lower. That means, of course, we might be here in a bigger A, B, and a C, of course. And we are in a wave 4. Potentially, you can have finished, of course, the wave 4. On the 15-minute chart, we're looking for something kind of like starting to look like a diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. But still, of course, question mark. I don't like it so much. On the 5-minute chart, also, I see 3 waves up. And this might be a wave C, meaning A, B, and a C regular flat. And we continue at the drop down. So what does it mean if we continue to drop down? Of course, our key level, if we move there, 6,600, meaning, of course, you invalidated your 1, 2, 3 here. There is no impulse anymore. If this happens, okay, it's a huge A, B, and a C. Next target is, of course, the wave C, already given this scenario in an A, B, and a C potential 1.38 for a wave B here given, and we might, of course, drop down with a potential wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yep, so these are the possibilities for Nasdaq and SPX. Of course, Nasdaq might follow up as well in case we fail here. It might also move in ABC. This scenario is also the same as SPX. If you're wondering if this is the same, yes, it is. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.